Hello students, in this video the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has been released for December 2020 online mock test how to appear in the online examination, how to access the online examination. So as a brief mock test has been released. So how to in this video how to I will guide you how to move on the online mock test without any hassles. So if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe our channel for more updates for CMA. Proud to be CMN Indian. So let's jump into the topic. So go to the students website. So wait. So wait. No need to trouble for. Be patient. So go to the Students Connect. So student e-services online mock test preview. So we see the on Directorate of Studies, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, a statutory body under the Act of Parliament. So online mock test paper of CMA students. So please log in your register number. And select your course. So you see the intermediate. So intermediate level all access. Enter CAPTCHA here. So once again re-log in through your register number and choose. Here it is choose. If you are foundation student, select the fundamentals of economics and management, fundamentals of accounting, and fundamentals of laws and ethics. And last but not least in the paper in fundamentals of mathematics and statistics for the foundation students. So who have appeared the group 1 or group 2, select your group 1. If you want to prepare for group 1, so select group 1. In this I take an example for group 1, so sign in here. And we see the MCQ platform, paper 5 of financial accounting, general rules 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will find the 6 series of online mock test. So the institute will see each paper have six series of online mock test. Each series contains 100 marks. So each series we have total 600 practical questions. 600 practical questions. Each have 100 marks. Each series contains 100 marks. We have to attempt all the questions. We have to attempt all the questions in each series. So suppose for example we have select the series 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 6 series in different colors. So we select the series 1. We have 100 series of questions contained. Each question have 1 marks, the 100 marks. So we will find the 6 series of online mock test. We clear the online mock test of paper 5 as the same as the same of all papers in remaining all papers, paper 7 and also paper 8. So here it is, find out the general rules. So we have to attempt all the questions. So the students, we have attempt all the questions. Online mock test duration for each series is 3 hours. So total 90 hours, 63 into 3. So 180 hours has been provided by the institute for each mock test. Each mock test series is 3 hours. So suppose you get the series, suppose we click the join the series 1. So you get 3 hours. 3 hours is enough for MCQs. So no need to worry about these MCQs patterns. Don't panic. So we can attempt each series for maximum 5 times. So we have The six series we have attempt five times. Each series we have a maximum we attempt series we attempt five times. So after you complete submit, the button will appear only when you enter into the last question and no question remaining unanswered. So please be careful. We submit all questions with answers. And then the submit is okay. Otherwise the submit is not taken by the artificial intelligence AI technology. So marks will be provided and the displayed only on the basis of attempt by MCQs type questions. So if you attempt the each question, that is type the answer. No negative marks given in the MCQs. Descriptive type questions are given only for practice purpose and will not be provided displayed for the same. So descriptive questions only, this is practicals practice purpose only, so no need to display the same question. Percentage of marks will given on the basis of answers with MCQs based questions. So percentage of marks based on the MCQs questions. After 3 hours, so we suppose each series have 100, so it taken into the 100 marks. For the example, we 100 by 6. So that's why he calculate the institute calculate that percentage. So we will clear that line. After 3 hours of the test, we answers will be automated submitted. So no need to worry for that. After wait for 3 hours, we will clear the series until you have no submitted. If you wait for 3 hours completed, after that we clear the automated submitted. If you not submitted before 3 hours, once the examination will clear the time, after that automated submitted. If submitted or not, they are automated submitted. So no need to worry about the submission part. A student will not allowed log out a particular series before 1 hour. So before 60 minutes, we did not log out the commencement of the particular mock test. Though suppose we have taken the series 1, we have in between 1 hour, we have come back for login again, so no need to access the login again. So we need to complete the at least 1 hour to move the next logout for the logout procedures. So we clear this point. Next, a student after submission, we can view the series number of attempts, scores, questions, attempts taken, and marks percentage in answers key. After the submission, we can see the series, how the 6 series we have submitted, and the answers will be provided automatically. So no need to forward this. After submission, we can also print the mock test certificate for future reference. So this is the basic prepare, and you can send the feedback at the end of this test, how you can approach this mock test. So same procedure of all paper 6 and paper 5 and paper 6, and same questions. So same question for group 1. So online mock test paper has been developed by the Institute of exclusively for the CMS student practice for various papers and to test the proficiency level and the subject knowledge. This is the mock test is no way to relate to performance of the CMS students examination. The material and the content in the online mock test papers should not be reproduced, whether in what or no, without consent of the authorities of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The institute neither accept or not assume the responsibility of liabilities to use the online mock test in respect of information contained with the decisions users of make the fail or resembles of any examinations. So same procedure not been appear in the main exam, so no need to worry about this. We covered this topic. So how to access the, go to the click here and the start examinations. So wait for that, be patient. So wait for that, access will be soon. No need to no need to worry about this. So wait for, depends upon your network issue. In during the exam center, the network is no there is no problem of network and any no problem. So they rectified easy immediately. So no need to worry about this. So here it is. I have already appeared in the exam. So because I have my time is completed. So count down to my time. So 1 hour 12 minutes. So we have some questions. Basics of question number. Read the questions carefully before the attempt the examination. So question number 1 P. Pick up the option the most appropriate each. Basis of appropriation of expenses. It is which can be uses. Appropriation of expenses. And then suppose we select the appropriation expenses, select the piecemeal distribution, click this, and we have don't know and select another one. That's it. And then click save it. See I am already given the 10. So it questions got question 1, question D, question 1C, and 5 marks. We see it. So please log out from the current series. After it's finished, then go to the series of other papers. So once the one finish this topic, save it. Series is submitted. You complete the series 6 series after you finish, then submitted automatically without after 3 hours. There is no issue for this. So save it. So wait for it. Be patient. Be patient. So wait for the submission. So it's done. No need to worry about this. So partial reposition is hire purchase. Select this and save it. So wait for it saving. So it is taken to indemnity period concern insurance claim. So like that we have submitted all the questions. Same like this. Wait for until please log out from current series. After you this finish, go to the other series. So time is clicking down. So 1 hour 9 minutes for my some this examination period. So save it once again. It's saving it. Be patient. So if you attempt the MCQs and everything, we need to understand the concepts very first.